Hello, students. This is Dr. Henry, and I'm your instructor for OAD 211 Medical Terminology. This week we are covering Chapter 5, and this video is designed to give you a little introduction to what this chapter is going to talk about, which is the cardiovascular system. As always, each of our chapters begin with the combining forms that you'll need to know and understand for that particular chapter. So make sure you pay close attention to those. All right, so the cardiovascular system is comprised of three main components: the blood, the heart, and the blood vessels. So first, let's look at the blood. The blood is liquid tissue that transports oxygen and nutrients throughout the entire body, and it also returns waste products. The heart itself is a muscle, and what it does is it pushes the blood throughout the body. So here it talks about it supplies the power to maintain that blood flow, and it pushes the blood all throughout every area of your body. Now, the heart has three main layers. The epicardium, which is the external layer or the outside layer, the myocardium, which is the middle muscular layer, and then endocardium, the inner layer. Make sure you use the diagrams and pictures, also other videos that are inside of our textbook to help you with your understanding. All right, the third component of the cardiovascular system is the blood vessels. So we looked at the blood, the heart itself, and now the blood vessels. And so the blood vessels include arteries, which carry blood away from the heart, the arterioles, which are smaller arteries, which carry blood to capillaries, and then the capillaries themselves, which carry oxygen to individual cells. The venules, which are even smaller veins that group up to form larger veins, and then the veins themselves, which carry blood towards the heart. So keep all of these in mind as you study and learn more about our cardiovascular system in Chapter 5. As always, if you have questions, concerns, or comments about our content, you can reach out to me via email. Again, this is Dr. Henry. Thanks for listening. Bye.